All right, good morning. We are currently watching The Spy. Um, Not sure how it's gonna react just because we had more PPI come out. So, yesterday we had CPI, today is PPI. And this one was a little bit lower than expected, so it's good. But I think the CPI is still overpowering. I'm not really in any kind of bullish case yet. I'm definitely still all over puts right now. So I'm not gonna sell my September 16th expiration puts just yet, which expire in 2 days. Today is the 14th. I'm not gonna sell those just yet. I'm actually gonna keep waiting. Like I said, technically, technical wise, I think we need to go under 390. I think 380 to 385 to 390. I'm gonna sell the puts, and that's just technical wise, right? Um, Fundamentally, things can happen, like the PPI being higher and changing the case, and in that case, I'll take less profit. I'll actually I'll lose some money in that case. Sorry, I won't actually lose money, but I'll take less profit. So less profit is correct in that case, but I'm still all about the puts right now. Still all about the puts. So we're just gonna let the puts work. It's nothing to sit here and handle about, but we're gonna get paper trading while we sit here with the puts. We're gonna start paper trading. So good, looking at some trend lines, maybe something like that's good. Looks like we got a resistance there. And that looks like a pretty good resistance. We should see 30-cent jump or something like that if we can grab that. And it actually might be put season in the morning here. So let me go ahead and load up some. We'll just take a starter since it broke the trend line here. And then we'll add if we get more confirmation. An example of more confirmation would be like it come back up to the trend line and get rejected, or it just keeps flushing down, and we're seeing increasing volume. I want it to come back up to that trend line, and I'll kind of add some more here. Like it's still flushing down. Yeah, big flush, big flush. I almost wanted to come back up to that trend line, and I can add I think for now I'm gonna close that out and just take that money there. And we'll wait for it to come back up to that trend line. Oh, it didn't go out. There we go. Yeah. And we'll wait for it to come back up to that trend line, and we'll buy some. Unless it just keeps flushing, then I don't know. I mean, I really might continue to buy here. Or even if it comes up close to that trend line, I'll start to add some more. Really want to see a big bullish move though. Just as a precursor, like a, it's like a, not a precursor. It's kind of trapping some bulls, thinking that we're gonna pop back up. That trend line's there for support, or sorry, resistance. Yeah, just a lot of selling pressure. I tell you what, if we make new highs now, if we surpass this candle's highs right here, I'll go ahead and add another contract there. Yep. It's hard to do that, it looks like. It's gonna be hard to add when it comes up. Everybody is selling as it's coming up. There we go. I'll take one there. Then I'll get some more ready for when it goes up to the trend line. Like, that's good. Take some more there. Then we'll take even more if it surpasses the trend line. That's definitely going to be overextended to me, and I'll take an even bigger position there. Because it looks like it's just shooting right now. It might overshoot. Yeah, I'm gonna take that. Take a big one there. Nice. We got filled, and we'll just keep looking to add here as it starts to come back down. Add there. A lot of buyers flocking, I will say. I'm gonna add more there. This looking weak again. And I'm gonna keep adding here. I'm gonna add even 10 more there, so we can get a really nice position going. gotten filled. There we go. Cool. And we'll start dropping them. Sell. Sell. So just dropped a few. We've definitely got more that we can drop. Just watching it. Should stay weak here. There we go. That's not good. Just made new highs. It kind of broke out of that consolidation there. Still holding. Gonna cancel that order I had. Like selling into the buying. Oh, nice breakout there. Down 25%. I don't know. That was a good break. I don't know how puts are looking right now. I think I'm out on puts. Go to calls now. I'm gonna go big time in some calls. Come on. Go. Hit it. I'm actually going to go ahead and sell my puts from the other day. Because we're going to lose a bunch of expiration, and you know we're going to lose a lot of time decay and stuff as it broke out of this here. So it's definitely moving. So the PPI might have helped it, or you know yesterday's overreaction, you know. So I can always re-enter in some puts if it looks to be different, but we're just gonna take the money and run. That's some big green candles there. And add some more calls here. I think that's it. That's all I can add. I think that's all I can add. Yep. Oh, coming down. I'm actually not too worried about that. We really should have seen more sell-off in the beginning. That buy volume there really tells me a lot of those two huge volume candles. That really tells me that today you know it's probably not going to continue. Um, we'll probably see a little correction before it continues if it does continue, but I guess the probabilities were not on the side today. I mean, that was a huge fall. I mean, look at that. That was a huge dump. It's probably gonna go down to 400 or up to 400 and then continue, but I don't know. Um, I've just got calls. But that'll be it for me. I'm gonna call it here, and yeah, we'll see you later. I gotta go to physical therapy, so we will might make another video later. We'll see on the update. But yeah, we'll catch you later.